Hello guys, we have some stuff. Jid Auser Muhammad he brought this one for us, for Sisi and me also. I don't know what this one ba. I don't know what this one for play or for idol. Okay, that one is for Sisi. And this one also for cold. Yan. Hala for Sisi. And she has also lockies for the hair. Ang laki, ang big. Ang cute naman ito. For his hair. Ayan na. For the hair. Ako. Ano ba? Yan. Ang cute yan. Pag yan, parang rabbit. Parang bula. Ayan, sa niya sa hair. At saka, she brought also for me. Closer mo. Hamad and Madam Baby. Dress. Is long sleeve. Ano siya? There's ang blouse. Long sleeve. With partner. Pantalon. For winter na nga kasi winter. Ayan. Partner. Then, this one. And this one is for sa amoy. Thank you Sir Muhammad and Madam Bibi for giving us a hadiah. They are from travel when they arrive. So they just give this one for us. There is another one for Celine jacket, the terno jacket. Oh no, jacket naman, terno pajama. But she wore already, so it's for washing. So that's why, and this one is for the yeah, I don't know what inside but this one. Pagriha. Pagriha. For the smell. It's for the smell. Okay. I forgot this one to keep it. I put in the kitchen. Okay, thank you. Once again, thank you, Sir Muhammad and Madam May for giving us. And thank you to the all subscriber of mine. Thank you. Just look my hair. Look my entire hair in the house. It look like only this one me. If I'm in the house. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you and thank you. Shout out to all subscriber of mine. And thank you also to subscribe. And thank you to giving me chance to watch my videos and to subscribe me, to likes and share. Thank you again. Have a nice night here in Iraq, in Baghdad. and keep safe to all different countries. God bless us all and bye. Bye. Yung kamay ko na may na. Asan ba? Isali ko nga muna ito tayo. Isang ano. And this one, the pajama. Okay. With the pajama also.